Hey Glamnos, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the mberry challenge. We got a bunch of food here. We got some honey buns, we got some chips, we got Snickers, we got some Sour Patch Kids. I'm not going to say them all. Okay.
So we're just going to get right into it.
We're going to start with some green apples, some Granny Smith.
And this was on the suggestion list. Okay, ready?
Oh, it tastes like garlic. No matter what, it tastes like garlic.
Really?
Yeah. What does it taste like for you?
A green apple. Let's try the pickles.
I'm getting that minty taste.
I don't know what it tastes like.
Yeah. Let's try some frozen strawberries.
Yeah. So the strawberries are frozen because we left them in the back of the fridge on accident.
Tastes sort of like a mango.
I think it just tastes really sweet. I think my taste buds are broken.
This tastes like an orange.
You think?
It's so weird.
Is it really sweet?
Pretty. Yeah, a little sweet.
I don't know if I'm tripping again.
I think you're
my
just
taste buds are
tripping.
broken. Here. These are our favorite chips.
Tastes the same.
I taste cinnamon. What the heck?
But yeah, I'm still tasting it.
It doesn't taste spicy. What the heck?
Okay, time for the true test if it works.
That's really weird. It doesn't taste spicy, huh? Like it doesn't have that.
That kick.
Yeah.
Want to see if it actually works with your least favorite fruit?
Shoot.
Want me to do it first?
I want to do it together.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're cutting it?
Oh. This is a true test.
If this stuff
Do you want to bite it?
Yeah.
Like an apple?
Okay, and...
I'm gonna just have a small piece. It's sweet.
It tastes like juicy. It tastes like good. See? Doesn't that taste so good?
It's sweet, huh? It does work.
My mind likes them. They're for sure good.
That's so weird. He's like really, like he loves tomatoes though, but not like this. Would you
I actually do.
Oh, you would eat a tomato like that?
These do work. It's official. It's confirmed.
It's really weird because like you can smell the tomato.
Should you try this? Just make vinegar.
And anybody that knows me knows I don't like tomatoes. They know this.
Tastes like regular ketchup.
It does. So let's try normal ketchup. So we don't have normal ketchup. We have sriracha ketchup.
Oh.
Get the sriracha ketchup. Get the sriracha ketchup.
No, I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to eat it.
Get it.
No.
I'll try it first.
Fine. If it does taste spicy, I can't try it, okay?
Okay. No, it tastes sweet.
Your pinky promise.
Pinky promise.
Oh my! I need to get in on some of this sweet action.
So it makes stuff that's not spicy sweet. Like I can taste. I
You
want to
want-
kind of take another mberry.
To me, it tastes like barbecue. Spicy barbecue.
Really? I don't taste the spiciness. You taste the spiciness?
I need a strawberry.
Okay. Oh yeah. How does strawberries taste now? Because I feel like it kicked in a little bit more.
Doesn't it taste like an orange?
No, it doesn't. It tastes like... You know what? I think the onion touched it. Oh, wait.
You're tasting it?
It does taste like an orange.
Boom!
That's
Told you.
crazy. Only on the parts that don't touch the onion, though. Mine kind of touch onion. Olive. Let's try an olive. You're not even in the frame. You gotta come over here. Ew.
Tastes exactly the same.
No, that doesn't. That tastes nasty. Oh, that tastes like trash.
Quick. Have a grape. Tastes exactly the same.
Garlic.
No. Lick it.
Oh, shoot. That's spicy.
Oh no. Get that away from my mouth.
I don't know if it's working anymore. No, this is how I could taste.
Tastes sweet.
No. Babe, pass me the mberries, please. Okay, so we'll be right back.
Commercial
We're gonna
break.
take one more to see how long it lasts, because I feel like that one only lasted like 10 minutes or something. So I was just asking my husband how did it taste, and he said the tomato tastes sweet. Try the pick.
Tastes super salty.
Yeah, salty?
Like
Yeah.
super salty.
Okay,
Here.
next.
Come on, try it. Try it. It may taste good. I was about to say he's being a chicken.
He hates olives.
You
I
should
wish
have
we-
heard us.
I wish we could have got that on video.
Yeah, but
Oh no, the pickles to me don't taste. But I love salt. Huh. Really? Did you gonna pass me a grape? Does it taste like grape?
But it explodes.
It explodes.
Yeah.
Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Those are good.
Mmm.
Time for the honey bunny. Some for you.
Mmm.
Thanks.
Tastes exactly the same. That is still good. Mmm.
Look, feel like the bird pop out there.
It doesn't have the kick, huh?
Yeah.
Mmm. They said try pineapple.
Wait. Pineapple.
Okay, open it.
Be the same.
Mmm.
It also doesn't have that kick to it.
Mm-mm.
So if you're not on the wild side, you could just use the mberries.
Oh, the ranch.
I completely forgot about it.
Frosting tastes the same. Get the ranch, please.
Wait, let's try these again.
It tastes gross.
Tastes a bit dry.
Mm-hmm. It tastes like dirt. Ugh.
Ah.
Huh? Did it taste like dirt to you?
Mhm. Hey, it tastes like regular ranch this time instead of buttermilk.
The tomato, I think, was the weirdest one.
Mhm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Fine.
Mhm.
Babe, which one did you think was the, like, shocked you the most in flavor?
The olive.
The olive? But what did it taste like? Salt?
I gotta take a spoon of salt.
Really?
The Snicker, please. Hey, bro, want a Snicker?
So he said that the olive tastes like just pure salt, like if you take a teaspoon of salt. So I want to try the olive again.
It's so spicy.
Like so salty, it's unreal. He's
Did I
right.
come
Ugh. I do not like that.
I don't taste the saltiness. You did? Well, I guess that's it.
Cause
Oh wait.
no, let's please not do it. Remember what happened last time? And the last time we tried to do this, I nearly choked off of vinegar.
Because they didn't work last time and he just like chugged it back. Like,
I didn't know that would happen, honestly.
I just want to try like a dot of it. I don't know. I'm traumatized from the smell right now because it like really stunk up my pantry.
That's delicious.
But is it?
No, it doesn't taste any different.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna get going. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be part of our glam squad and not miss out on any videos. So we will see you guys next time. Peace out.